There's three things that you need to start accepting money as an official business. You need an LLC, an EIN, and a business bank account. In this video, I'm gonna break down each step. We're gonna talk about why you need each one of these things, how much each one of them costs, and how to get it done. Before we jump into it, you might be wondering, why should you listen to me in the first place? Well, I've sold over $6 million worth of products in the last couple of years on the internet, and even into big retailers like Michael's and Walmart and Hobby Lobby. I've posted over 9,120 pieces of content. I've earned just under 2 million followers, and the ads that I've created have made me millions. I'm on a journey from 7 to 8 figures and then to 9 figures, and I'm documenting everything that I'm doing right here. So if you're selling products and you want to fill in some of the gaps in your knowledge, you found the right spot. So what do we need to start taking money as an official business? The first thing is the LLC. And we want to start here because we need the LLC name to match the EIN paperwork. Here's an example. If you're doing business in Los Angeles, you're going to want to form an LLC in California. If you're doing business in Kansas City, you're going to want to form an LLC in Kansas. We form the LLC in the state that we're doing business in, the state that we live in. Now, before you form that LLC, you're going to need a business address. I recommend using a virtual mailing address. Here's a couple of options for you, but you can also use your home address. I used my home address for years, no issues. Now, LLC stands for Limited Liability Company, and it's the container that we need to be official. But every state does things a little bit differently. Kansas is gonna charge a different amount than California. So depending on the state that you're in will depend on how much it costs to form an LLC. Could be anywhere from $20 to $500. Now, when you're forming your LLC, you're also going to need a registered agent. A registered agent is a human that's been given permission to accept mail on your behalf during standard business hours in case the government needs to get a hold of you. Every single LLC has a registered agent. You can be your own registered agent using your home address, or you can hire someone to be your registered agent for you. Now, when you form your LLC, there's two ways that you can get it done. You can go to the state website, create an account, and fill out your paperwork, or you can pay a company to do it for you. Now, if you're paying a company to do it for you, it might cost a little bit more, but you're gonna get some benefits that you wouldn't be able to get anywhere else. Remember me talking about how you're gonna need a mailing address and a registered agent? Yeah. When you pay a company to file your LLC paperwork for you, you'll also get the option to pay them for an address. You'll also get the option to pay them to be your registered agent. If you don't want to use your home address, please go this route. It is a much better way to go. But if you want to use your own address and you want to be your own registered agent, just go directly to the state website and open up your LLC there. Once you fill out your LLC paperwork, it'll take a couple of weeks for it to go through, but it doesn't mean we have to wait. See, once we get accepted and we submit the name of our LLC, we can go get an EIN. And now we're at step 2. EIN stands for Employer Identification Number. It's like a social security number for your business. Every single LLC needs one, and we need it in order to open up a business bank account. So where do we get one, and how much does it cost? They're totally free. In fact, the LLC is the only thing in this process that costs money. So where do we go get one of these free EINs? We go to the IRS. This is what the IRS website looks like. I'll include a link in the description below for you. Please make sure it's the same spot, because a lot of places out there will try to pretend to be IRS websites, and they'll charge you money to submit your EIN paperwork. The application is really, really simple. It looks like this. You can do it online. It only takes 5 to 10 minutes, and at the end of the application, you will have your EIN number. If at any point in time you are asked for payment, you're on the wrong website. So make sure you use the link in the description to go to the right spot. So when you're filling out your EIN paperwork, you're gonna wanna make sure that you choose LLC and sole proprietor. They're basically asking for your entity and your tax class, and we'll get more into that later. Just know for now, LLC, sole proprietor, you're good to go. Now there's 2 critical failure points here with this application. The first, you've got to make sure that the LLC name matches exactly on your EIN paperwork. So if you formed your LLC as ABC Industries LLC, you need to put ABC Industries LLC on your EIN paperwork as well. The second thing that must match is your address. Your business address has got to be the same, both for your LLC application and your EIN. Now, last thing, you might go to the IRS website late at night because we're those type of people who are working 80 hours a week, so we don't have to work 40. And what you'll find is that the IRS website appears to not be working sometimes. And that's because it doesn't function outside of regular business hours. The only way that you can get an EIN through the IRS officially is by going to the website during business hours. If you don't, you'll get an error. I got hung up on this stuff, so I really hope this makes a difference for you. If you want a detailed walkthrough on how to form an LLC or an EIN, you can watch these videos after you're finished with this one. I go into excruciating detail and we'll walk you through the entire process. Okay, great. We've got the first 2 steps done. We've got our LLC paperwork and our EIN done. Now, just so you know, the LLC paperwork is called your Articles of Organization. And your EIN paperwork is called your SS4 certificate or your employer identification number. That's important to remember because you're going to need those 2 things to open up a business bank account. And that is step 3. We've got to keep our money separate. We've got to have our business money in a separate account than our personal money. It's the law. If you mix them together, it's called co-mingling. And the IRS really doesn't like it. In fact, you can get in a lot of trouble if you do. So in order to keep things separate, we open up a second bank account, specifically for our business. Here's the thing though. It's really easy to skip steps or get our wires crossed. It's really easy to think that, I don't need an LLC. I'll just get that done later. Or I don't know that I really need the business bank account right now. You do. It's never going to be easier than it is right now to set this stuff up. It's never going to be less complicated. Please, if you're serious about business, if you truly want to make something meaningful and make more than a few $100s, you've got to get this stuff done. All business owners have to go through these lessons. We all have to learn this. I remember when I did, and it was incredibly painful and uncomfortable and awkward because I had no idea what I was doing, but I do now. And that's why I'm making this video, so you don't have to stumble through it and make all the expensive mistakes that I made. So please get an LLC in the state you're doing business in, get an EIN for that LLC, and use those 2 pieces of paperwork to open up a business bank account with Relay. If you're anything like me, business banking can feel intimidating and overwhelming. That's why this video is sponsored by Relay, a business banking platform that's better than all the others. Why do I say it's better? Because I use it. I love it. And it's way better than all the other big name banks that I've used. They do everything I need a bank account to do. Multiple accounts? No problem. Send checks? Easy. Pay yourself? Statements? Connect to QuickBooks Online? All of it. It's taken me years to find a banking partner like Relay. So I reached out to them. I asked them if we could work together to sponsor this video because I enjoy and use their products so much. And I know that if I spread the word to you, there's a chance you'll get to experience what I've experienced. Stress-free online business banking. The setup is super easy and can be completed from your computer at home. All you need is your LLC paperwork and your EIN. After a short application process, you're done. There's no monthly fees, there's no monthly minimums, there's no account minimums, there's no minimum balances, there's no hidden fees. Big thanks to Relay for sponsoring this video. I'll leave an affiliate link in the description so you can get set up with your very own business bank account from the comfort of your home. Once you have that step completed, you are an official business. You can start taking money, you can start taking payments, you can start writing checks, you can start operating as an official company in the United States of America. If you'd like me to walk you through the business banking application with the same bank that I use, watch this video next.